What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys some awesome Fleetwood Mac, Don't Stop. Simple song. We only got 1, 2, 3, 4 chords. 3 for the verse, and then we got 1 more before each chorus. Alright, so cool. E major. 1, 2, 3. D major. 1, 2, 3. A major. 1, 2, 3. So that's the chords for the verse. So 1, 2, 3, 4. E, D, A. E, D, A. E, D, A. And then we have a B7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the strumming. Boom, da, 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 da. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. On the last one there. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. B7. Down, 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 step. B7. And for the intro, we only got E to A. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. E, A, E, A. And then the band kicks in. E, A. Vocals 2, 3, 4. B7. 2, 3, 4. John, stop. One more verse, come on. One, two, last chorus, come on. Two. Let's end on E. Awesome. What a simple, cool, genius song that is. 4 chords. That's what we love, right? Just the right hand. Da da ba da dum, da da ba da dum, da da ba da dum, da da. Cool. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome hits. Be safe. Thank you.